Most people might not know about this, but all right, y'all. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, obviously, you gotta open up your glove department, and there's gonna be a little piece, that little piece right there. You're gonna What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Into this video, I'm going to be showing you guys if you got a 4th gen Dodge Ram. Most people might not know about this, but your Ram has a in the glove department, pretty much like on top of it is a cabinet air filter that you could be able to put in there. I believe these trucks, I don't know why they did not come with a filter in there, but you know, that's something that you gotta ask Dodge, Ram, or Ram, whatever. But there's a filter that you could order from Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link down. It's about probably gonna get it for like 20 bucks. Extremely affordable. It's not anything expensive, or probably less than that, probably 15 bucks. So pretty much, I'm gonna be showing you guys like how to be able to remove the glove department, and also just like the spot that you gotta cut open, because you gotta cut open a spot. It is like factory, it has like a seal on there, but you gotta cut open it. And then once you cut open, you install your filter. So I'm gonna show you guys a little walkthrough of how to be able to do it, but I will be making a part 2 on this video and stuff like installing it, because I did order the parts. So it was supposed to come in today, but fortunately Amazon scheduled it for the next business day. So it is very simple, and this is something that I myself personally, I do feel like my truck needed, because you know, if you clean your car, you know when you turn on your AC or your air system, especially if you have a vehicle that's definitely not brand new and you probably like the 2nd or 3rd owner, you know, air filter definitely something that can help keep your car air nice and smelling good and stuff like that. So it is very simple and easy to do. It takes probably less than 15-20 minutes. You know, it's not something that's pretty hard. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to do it, but it's going to be a part 2 to this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to be able to install it. I'm just showing you guys where it's located, and pretty much. All right, y'all. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, you got to open up your glove department, and there's going to be a little piece, that little piece right there. You're going to unhook it. Pretty much simple to do. Try to do this with one hand. Might not be easy, but I'm going to try anyway. So you want to unhook this piece back. Once you unhook, just pull it back out, just like that. And then pull back, that's fine. And then there's a clip that's gonna be up here. Push in, or you push out, pretty much. Now you see that? You gotta do the same thing on the other side, same exact thing. Boom. I just found out too, I might be needing a whole new glove department, pretty much, because mine it's kind of cut open. I mean, I could still put it back on, but matter of fact, I'm wrong about that. That's how it is. Yeah, just from this angle, it looked like it broke, but if you look back, that's how it's made, apparently. And it's the same thing on this side. All right, so this is what you're gonna be looking at. Boom. Take it out, quick and easy. So gonna show you guys right now. That piece right there is pretty much this right here. That right there. That's where your filter gonna be going. So what you will want to do is get, like, if you have any kind of sharp knife, like a one of them box cutter knife, I'll say. It's a line, pretty much. Just follow the line, cut it. Try to take your time doing this, because you don't want to have any kind of residue dropping down into, there's a fan underneath out here, so if you do get some kind of residue in there, you're gonna have to screw your fans, like, I think probably 4 screws or something like that, that's underneath here, which is not anything crazy, but just to be able to be on the safe side, save yourself the work, do it a smart way, go slow. So cut. Once you cut that open, boom, you're gonna be able to find your, pretty much your, it's gonna be the spot. This is the spot where that filter you order is gonna be going. So you're just gonna put it in there. It's gonna be kind of tough to get it in, but you just gotta be able to wiggle and get it in. And then there's a seal that comes with it. I'm gonna show you guys all of this tomorrow once I get the parts come in, how to install. I'm just showing you guys right now how to be able to do it. If you have the parts right now, and then you just, it's a little clip on both sides, boom, clip it together, and then you just put this back on, just how you took it off. So, but yeah, guys, these are one of the things I did not know that my truck has, or had, whatever. I set my camera. So these are one of the things that I did not know my truck had. You know, obviously, but, you know, I did my research and was able to find exactly where the spot was. And you might not know too, so this could definitely probably help you if you're trying to put in a filter on your 4th gen Dodge Ram. I believe 4th gen Dodge Ram. I don't know if it's the same as a 5th gen or a 3rd gen, but, you know, I don't know. But this is strictly for 4th gen Dodge Ram. Parts, I'm gonna drop the parts down in the description that you can go and order your parts. It's extremely cheap, it's not expensive, so very simple to do. You know, if you work with your hands, it's something you'll be able to figure it out yourself. It's not rocket science, but that's definitely going to be it, guys. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. My goal is to hit 10K, so help your boy. I'm a small YouTuber trying to get my name out there, so, you know, help your boy out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.